I can cook Bluey, Bluey, and I can cook Bluey. Come cook with us, Bluey. Bluey. Bluey, Bluey, Bluey. Bluey, I can cook. So, okay, Bingo. You want to play music? No, I want Mum. You today, be today here. I'm gonna come back. I said, pipe big. What's she going? I don't know. Ah! What the hell? Mom, Dad, Bluey, need to talk to you. Why are you lying to me? I didn't lie, Mom, Dad. You did. You did lie. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Stop lying with us, baby. Your father told me. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. So what your mother told you, don't lie again, because it's very bad. Alright, Julie? Yeah. So I'm good now. Please, Dad, please. I promise not to again. Please. Whatever I'm gonna that world to get you. No, I mean talk me and that. But wait, what become muffin and socks? Wait, what about them? Is that okay? Yeah, it's okay, Mom and Dad. See, it's all right now. Dad, no, I had got a new white. No white, but what? Apparently, I can. Okay. Oh, you mean Oh, why? I didn't go now. Oh, okay, Mum. One, two, kids. Hi guys, I'm back. Mom, I'm happy. I'm missing guys. How Bluey? She good. She left. I hope she will be right. Okay. Dad. Yeah. Hey, Bluey. we go to holiday to us. Where do want to go? Maybe we can go to Disneyland Paris. Oh, really? Yeah. We can do that. Really? But maybe no. Disneyland? Too far. Okay, what about after towers? Too far too. Come on, Dad. Please. Maybe. Okay, what about Portugal? A good idea. Portugal is Oregon. We come back again. Yeah. Even we come back again.
On a Jet2 Villas holiday, you can have it all. Get your flights, car hire and villa all included with free child place holidays available too. And right now, a family of 6 can save up to £600 with My Jet2. Book your Jet2 Villas holiday with just a £60 deposit per person. Jet2 Villas, Atronach protected.
Bluey, I can cook. So,